So here's a quick demo on the game prototype that I'm working on, and you can see the arrows. The arrows indicate what buttons to press. So like I'm using an Xbox controller, and all I have to do is follow the instructions. Kind of like something like what you would do with like a lot of the other things like Rock Band. Just kind of follow the instructions on the screen, and they blow up. And so you could have. Oh, I missed that one. Okay, I got that one. That's a full one, and I got it. To me, it's pretty simple, but maybe because I'm used to it, and and but even then, sometimes I struggle with some. But it's kind of it can be a challenge, especially if you're not used to it. I know my grandson, he had a hard time with some of them when it came to four of them. It was like he had a hard time. He could do a few of them, but he couldn't really do a lot of them. And anyways, it's a long way from being done, but it's something. It's just kind of a proof of concept and learning Unity. Never used Unity before, so I'm trying to learn how to use it, how to script it, and everything. Hopefully, I can turn it into a full-fledged prototype. It still won't be a full game because man, games really take a long time. There's so much you can do. Plus, a lot of times you're struggling fighting the editor, and like in this one, for example, like when I shut it down, like it doesn't save my project settings, and I don't know why. So I have to look into that. It's just a lot of looking into stuff. So anyway, that's that.